Well, watch this trick.
Okay, so we're going to show you how to do a basic snell knot with a BKK 60 with some mono leader. Just remember, always you go in with the turn of the line, and always go in from the front. You're going to go in, make yourself a little loop, then you're going to go 6 winds up and then back through the loop. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, back through the loop, and then you pull your main line tight, and you just cut off this little excess tag on the side. And that's your basic snell knot for your circle hooks.